this video, we'll show you how to access and remove the hopper lid switch on your ComfortBilt HP42 Pellet Stove. As always, make sure that the unit is removed from power before doing any service work. Here is the hopper lid switch. This is circuit open, and when the lid closes, that closes the switch. So this needs to be depressed in order for the auger motor to feed. It's a very simple switch, but very complicated to remove because the whole wire needs to be undone from the control box, and then this switch right here, you'll have to turn it slightly to get it to release, and then everything has to exit the stove from the controller or the motherboard all the way through the stove wall and up through this hole. I'll show you how to do that. First, we have to unplug the stove and then remove both of the side panels to access the cabinet. There's 2 screws on each of the panel sides. To get to the hopper lid switch, we need to remove 4 screws off of the plate of the control box, which I've already done. And then we need to isolate the jack. That would be this one right here, and that is R37, I think it is. That's what it says. And poke that through the hole. And now we need to feed this out through the top of the hopper. Okay, now this is kind of complicated because the nut that the wire feeds through, this Molex connector is not small enough to fit through the end of this. So you need a very small screwdriver or sharp point to depress the 2 tabs and then remove the Molex from the end of the wire terminals. And then we will pull this out, and then we will slide this off. And then we can feed it back out through the hole. And then there's a retaining nut on the inside. We'll slip that out, and then we can pass our wire back out through. When you get your new hopper lid switch, you will take the ends of the wires and you will pass them down through the top of the hopper lid hole, and then you will secure that so it's flat. Then you're going to slip on your retaining nut, and the side with the holes is the flat side. This is going to go this way so that it's back against the inside of the hopper, and you can just drop that down inside. And then we will feed our wires out through the hole, and then we will slip on our pass-through connector, slide that into the hole, and then attach your retaining nut. And then you'll put your locking nut down, secure that. That creates an airtight seal on the hopper, and then you will put your Molex back on. I think that it ships with the Molex already on, so you'll have to remove it again. Here's a close-up view of what the wire terminals look like when they go into the Molex. The bottoms of these connections are the ends that poke through the ends on the plastic cover. And once you have it connected, then you will feed your wire back down the stove to the motherboard. It connects right here onto the blue terminal block. Just like so. And then put your cover back on. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.